Stop letting your customers wonder about their order status and start delivering instant gratification with WhatsApp notifications. Today, we're diving into a game-changing integration connecting Aisensy with your WooCommerce store to send and receive order updates directly through WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Make sure you have WooCommerce installed and properly configured. Next, you'll need to install the Aisensy plugin. Go to the plugin section and search for Aisensy. Once you find it, click install and then activate the plugin. After activating, find the Aisensy settings page within WooCommerce. Here, you will need to input your Aisensy API key. You can find this key in your Aisensy account dashboard. Log into your Aisensy account, navigate to the API settings or integration section, usually found in the settings menu. Copy your unique API key. Paste the API key into the Aisensy settings within WooCommerce. Now, you can configure which order status updates you want to send as WhatsApp notifications. Options typically include order confirmation, processing, shipping updates, and delivery confirmations. Customize the message templates for each notification type within the Aisensy settings. Use variables like customer name, order number, and tracking information to personalize each message. Test your setup by placing a test order on your WooCommerce store. Check your WhatsApp to ensure you receive the order confirmation notification. Also, check the order notes within WooCommerce to see if the notification was successfully sent. And that's it. Now, your customers will receive real-time order updates directly on their phones, leading to happier customers and fewer "Where's my order?" inquiries. Start boosting customer satisfaction today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips and tricks.